Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about very important dates, which we will have this week, which can have a big impact on the market. So these, I think it's very important. And the second thing I would like to talk about is that, according to a report, Metaverse real estate could grow up to, or actually over, $5 billion by the year 2026. Why? Let's talk about this, guys. All this in today's video. And if you would like to get the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because as you can see, I'm bringing them you quite frequently. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and especially, of course, check out the links under this video, because there are many useful ones, just like a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Okay, when we look at the market, I'm going to share the screen in a second. You can see that Bitcoin is actually now down 3.4%. It makes the price $21,927. Ethereum down 5%. With this, the price is 1,526. When we're looking at the top gainers in the last 24 hours, not major ones, synthetics 2.5% up. We have XDC 1%, and pretty much that's it. When we're looking at the losers, we have now much more. So we had quite a couple of good days, but now it looks like there is a slight correction in the market. You can see that Convex Finance going down 9%, X Infinity 8%, and Mina 8%. When we're looking at the candlestick chart, we can see it clearly that, we had this channel and this trend line here, and when we broke out of it, then it started to behave as support. But then we went under it, and now it's working again, just like here and here and here before, as a resistance, as you can see it here. And now the price went all the way down. However, we were up here, as you can see, which was more than $24,000 the Bitcoin price on the 20th of July. But now again we're going down, and we're going to have on this week pretty important dates and things what's going to happen, and this will have an impact on the market for sure. So guys, let's check them out. Okay, so several things going to happen. First of all, when we're looking at this calendar, we can see that the Fed going to have a meeting about the interest rate hike, and this will happening on this week on the 26th and 27th of July, and the announcement, the press conference, will be on the 27th, so on Wednesday. And then we will see what is actually going to happen. Are we going to which way going to continue? Obviously there will be big rate hikes. This is actually not a question. The question is how big. Will it be 75 basis points, or it will be 100 basis points? Because if you just think about it, the inflation data from June, which came out this month, it showed that the inflation is 91%, which is the highest since 1981. So definitely a big number. Therefore, the Fed, if they would like to fight against inflation, have to make a significant movement. Therefore, they're talking about 75 or 100 basis point increase. And another thing I would like to point out, that the next meeting, it will be in September. So, which shows there is no meeting in August. So it's very important what's happening now, but this is going to be on them for a while. And in September, if things getting better, then the Fed can have in September, November, even in December, not that drastic increase. But we don't know, obviously, the future what's going to happen. Okay, another thing I would like to point out is when we're looking at the big companies, showing how they had performed in the second quarter of this year. And on this week, several big companies will come out with their report. Many others, obviously, as you can see here today, Here's the list. But for example, on Tuesday, we're going to have Google coming out and many others. Then on this week, on Wednesday, so on the 27th, Meta, Facebook, is coming out and many others with the report. And then we have on Thursday, on the 28th, Amazon coming out. So, and then we have, many other companies as well. So definitely big ones on this week, and depends what they're saying, how they have performed, and what are their predictions for the future, and which way they would like to shift. It will have an impact on the economy, because these are definitely big companies. They're going to show their report. And let's go further. On the 28th of July, there will be announcement by the Bureau of Economic Analysis, and we will find out that the second quarter, the GDP has declined for the second quarter, or actually not, because if it is, then we can see, if the first quarter are and both negative, so the first two quarters, basically the first one this year, now the second one, then we will know for sure that we are in a recession. And the big question is, has the market priced this in? Are we in a recession? Will we in a recession or not? Or if we are in a recession, what is the reaction of the market? Is it like panic, or because we had so many bad news already, we kind of felt, yeah, we will be, and it's already priced in? How, many questions, and all these data will be revealed on this week. So I think we're having now in the summer a pretty important week now for the close future. Definitely it will have an impact on the close future. Okay, now let's move on to the next news, and the next topic is all about Metaverse real estate, because according to new research, it shows that by the year 2026, the Metaverse real estate can reach the value of $5 billion US dollar, which is quite significant. Metaverse is definitely a hot topic. This is not a question. And then we have new reports always coming out and showing some predictions, because many analysts believe that metaverses and real estate sales in metaverses will grow significantly in the future. So according to this new one, metaverse real estate sales to grow by $5 billion by the year 2026. So this is the prediction of the latest Metaverse report by Technavio, which is a global market research firm. And here are two reasons for it. So this expansion will be fueled by two factors. First, the Metaverse will gradually move towards a more mixed reality experience, giving more value to these platforms in which visitors can inhabit, taking annotations and decoding text for different application-specific purposes. The second reason has to do with the popularity of cryptocurrencies, which will make this kind of property more approachable and easy to purchase in order to sell or rent, allowing its owners to obtain a passive income. So these are the main factors. They believe it will grow, and according to their prediction, it shows that the value of virtual real estate will grow by $5.36 billion US dollar by the year 2026. So if this will be true, then definitely investments in real estate in Metaverse, it's a pretty good thing to do now in 2022, if this is going to continue in this direction. Not financial wise, because we don't know, this Metaverse is a new thing, but it looks like that many major companies invested huge money, Facebook, which is right now Meta, spending yearly tons of money on their Metaverse development. So it looks like that big players taking it quite serious, and if it is so, then probably it will an impact on the prices and its popularity, and it will be a kind of mainstream thing also in the future. So we will see definitely, but it has a good chance. Okay guys, that's it for today. Don't forget that now during this holiday, I'm making the videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But on Friday, I'm back to Hungary. My holiday, this July holiday, will finish, and probably on the 29th of July, I will be back to normal. So broadcasting from my office, and from next week, everything goes back to normal. So you're going to have this kind of fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news every single weekday, as it was before in the last 2 years. This was just for now July period. Okay guys, that's it. I wish you an amazing day. Have a good one. Bye bye.